Hey guys, it's me, Alex from OAE. In this video, I'm going to be showing guys how to do transitions. It doesn't have to be musically. So yeah, just going to show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I'm just going to show you guys that I removed the pillow from this side. Oh gosh. There's a pillow on that side to make it a little bit different. So, I'm just going to be like, showing you how to do it. So what you would do is like, for example, I'll sing a song like, ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. So I don't know if you guys saw, but I paused it. So then I was from here to here. So now I'm gonna do another transition from here to basically to a cupboard over there. So yeah. Oh my oh oh whoa. I know another. So what I did was I was from the bed to this thing. It's like a cupboard or something. So the next transition I'm going to do is this one. Oh god. So this is the other one. So it's going to be like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm on a river on the way to. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm on a river to Alea. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. So I did another transformation from this room, which was from the window over there, then to my room. So yeah, I'm gonna watch this all over again, then I'll finish up the video. So I'll be right back. Watched it all up again, so I'm really happy with it, except the part from where I click my fingers. But you guys knew what I was trying to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and always stay happy. Peace. I'm so sorry I didn't do a live stream of this.